Alien. Yeah, alien. That's what I felt for the first time at my office. And I still have this feeling sometimes. Because I know that I am not that expertise in so many things. We all know that work environment can't go easy without pressure. It could be pressure of work, it could be pressure of inferiority complex, or visibility or recognition. A lot of pressure, right? For a newcomers, like a fresher, there will be less work pressure, but there will be more of an inferiority complex. Many new joiners reached out to me and asked me how to handle the situation of inferiority complex. And they told me, I feel like an alien in my meetings, or I feel like an alien in my workplace, or among my colleagues. What should I do? I said, I too feel the same sometimes. But that's okay. Because I know I am not that experienced and I'm not that expertise in everything. Okay? So to have this feeling sometime, it's fine. It's alright if you know how to overcome it. If you know how to keep yourself self-motivated. Today I'm going to share my journey, my story, how I overcome my work pressure or inferiority complex kind of thoughts or any kind of negative thoughts which could impact my professional life, personal life, and mental health. Now, before starting, I have a little announcement. I'll cover that and will proceed with this video without interruption. I promise. There are a lot of courses on internet and sometimes we get confused what to learn and what not. Nowadays, industry is looking for full stack development. So if you are struggling in finding a right course for you, then here's an option for you. Textbook Full Stack Developer Career Program. How it is different? It's not important that you are taking up a course and you are learning it. If you are applying for a job and if you want to showcase yourself that you are good in that and you have learned that technology, how would you showcase that? So for that, you need some experience. You need some project. You need some certificate. This course will exactly provide the same. This course will provide you internship, certification, and placement assistance. So it's not just a course, but it's a full package which will lead you to the right place in this domain. So what you will learn here: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Git, MongoDB, Docker, MySQL, React, Node.js, object-oriented programming, data structure, and algorithm. So those who are looking for such kind of expertise course, then this is an option for you. I'll provide all the links down below. And guess what? If you are enrolling this course today by using the coupon code LIFE20, LIFE20, then you can get up to 50% plus 20% extra on career programs by Skill Academy. All links are there in the description and you should watch their free demo session. If you have any doubt, it is going to clear it. Not only that, check out their other courses. Check out their free demo. If you are satisfied, then please go ahead and check it out. Buy this course if you think it's worthwhile. Check out not only this, check out the other programs as well. This program, I thought, like in the industry, full stack development is kind of in demand. Then I thought like I should share this course and I'll provide you the link in the description box. You can use the coupon code to get 50% plus 20% extra on these courses. And yes, don't miss out their demo session to make yourself confident that this is the right course for you. Started. Now let's jump into this video. First thing first, know the reality. Stop making assumption and try to understand the situation. What I mean is that it's not important to know everything before entering a meeting room or before entering a workplace. It's all right. It's fine if you don't know anything and you are starting at the first place and it's your first day. As soon as you make yourself believe that, even if I don't know the environment, even if I don't know the work culture, even if I don't know what is going to happen in the meeting, just prepare yourself with a mindset that if I am entering in the room, I'm going to take a note of the things I'm not familiar of, and I'll try to find out the solution, and I'll try to understand those things. And make sure when the meeting ends, you'll go to your workplace, you'll go to your desk, and you'll start finding the solution you are not familiar with. Because we people, we are fresher. I'm still not that much experienced. That's what I do sometimes. And with this building blocks, we can make ourselves feel comfortable in any kind of meetings. But not meetings, workplace, or any environment wherever you feel inferior. Just look at the people, learn from them, try to understand the situation. If you are not getting it, just for a time being, make a note of the things which you want to know next and work on it. Instead of having the negative feeling, fill your voids. Why I'm saying so? Because guys, transition is not easy. Before, we lived a long life of a student. Remember your first day of school? Did you like the school? I didn't like and never wanted to go to school. And once we started going to school, it was like a habit. That's what's happening today. Transition from a long student life to a professional life is not easy. It's going to take time. Every transition comes with revolution, struggle, hard work, and determination. And of course, you are making transition from a student life to a professional life. So don't think it's gonna be easy. It's quite tough. It's little tough, little struggling. You need determination, you need high motivation, you need self-belief, and of course, and avoid discouraging yourself to move forward. The day you make yourself familiar with the professional world, you'll start building confidence. If you are not kind of a self-motivated person, then seek for help. Either take help from your manager or your colleague who you think will help you. Trust me, they will not avoid. They will try to help you out from the situation. Why? Because they have encountered these kind of problem among newcomers or fresher every year. And they know exactly how to design the things or design your pathways. You might be trying to fit your feet into experienced person's shoes. Don't try to do this. You have your own way. You have your own shoe size. So don't try to walk in their shoes. Better have your own approach. It may take time to develop. That will come once you are mentally prepared for this transition. It's not easy. Everybody feels the same. I too feel the same sometimes. And just make sure you will be highly motivated throughout the journey, throughout the transition. So set up your goals, what you want to achieve, and start working on that. Trust me, it's not a day task. It is a change. It has to be evolved with time. That's how I approach to any problem. Sometimes I'm highly motivated, sometimes I need my managers or anyone's help. I seek for help. I talk to people. I try to know their opinion. I try to know their opinion about me. I try to take feedback from them and I try to work on those feedbacks. And that's how I try to grow myself in the professional world with you. And this is what I wanted to share with you. So deviate your negative energy to knowledge gaining. Okay? Hope this video was informative to you. If it was informative to you, don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.